Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat notification sound not working in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Snapchat notification sound is not working, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to open your settings app. Here, go for the sound and haptics, and you have to make sure that your phone is not on silent mode. If you are on silent mode or your silent mode is enabled like that, you have to disable this. Then you have to maximize your volume from here. Once I maximize your volume, go back from here and you have to retry if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, you have to open your app store, go for search, simply search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Snapchat app. If you find, try to update your app, and after updating, your issue will be fixed. Because sometimes it might be that there is any pending update for your app, so it might have these type errors. After that, you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your control center, and you have to make sure that your do not disturb mode is enabled. If you find it enabled, try to disable the app, or if you find anything enabled in your focus section here, you just have to disable that. And after disabling, simply go back from here, open settings again, go for general again, go for transfer reset iPhone, so let's reset. If your issue is still not fixed, tap on reset all settings from here, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset all settings. It will reset all of your phone settings, including everything on your phone, but it will not delete your data. So you can either try this, and after that, your issue will be fixed. Or in some cases, if your issue is still not fixed, there's the only way. You just have to go back, keep a long press on your Snapchat app, then tap on delete app, then delete your app. And after deleting, you just have to reinstall your app using your app store, and you will not get the issue again. So if there will be any bug or any malware into your Snapchat app, it will be fixed in this app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.